What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have this interesting question that says find the value of x given that 4 to the x minus 1 plus 4 to the x plus 1 is equal to 34. Well, our first step will be for us to apply the property of indices that says that when I have a to the power of b plus c, this can be written as a to the power of b times a to the power of c. Now let's apply this to what we have here and what we have here. That means this expression can be written as 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of negative 1. Very good. Plus, now we do the same thing here. This will be 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of 1. And this is equal to 34. Very good. Now notice that 4 to the power of x is common on the left hand side. So we can factor out 4 to the power of x. Then open bracket. Since I have factored out this, 4 to the power of negative 1 will be remaining. So 4 to the power of negative 1. Plus, since I have factored out this, 4 to the power of 1 will be remaining. And we know that 4 to the power of 1 is 4. Very good. And this is equal to 34. Now let's simplify this further. We have 4 to the power of x, open bracket. Now this is an inverse. 4 to the power of negative 1 can also be written as 1 all over 4. And then plus 4, now close brackets, equal to 34. Good. So we have a fraction inside of this parenthesis. Now this is a fraction, but this is a whole number. Now I have to make this a fraction by putting all over 1. Good. Now our next step is to make this denominator the same as this 4. So we have what is outside, 4 to the power of x. Now open bracket, this is 1 all over 4 plus. Now to make this denominator the same as a 4, since I have 4 here, I'm going to be multiplying 1 by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. Now the denominators are the same. But since I multiply this denominator by 4, I will also multiply the numerator by 4. So 4 times 4 gives 16. Very good. Now close brackets, and this is equal to 34. Now this simplifies into 4 to the power of x. Now open bracket. Now they have the same denominators, so I'm going to be writing the common denominators, which is 4. Now 1 plus 16 is 17. Good. And this is equal to 34. Now to isolate this 4 to the power of x, I have to multiply both sides by the inverse of 17 all over 4. So this is 4 to the power of x times 17 all over 4. Now multiply by the inverse. The inverse of 17 over 4 is 4 all over 17. Good. This is equal to 34. We do the same to the right hand side. Multiply by 4 all over 17. Very good. In order to balance the scale. Now see what will happen. This 4 cancels out this 4. 17 cancels out this 17. So we have 4 to the power of x to be equal to, now what we have here, 17 here, 1. 34 divided by 17 is 2. And then 2 times 8, 2 times 4 is 8. Very good. So now let's simplify further. I'm going to be writing 4 in the base of 2. So 4 is the same as 2 squared. And this is raised to the power of x. This is equal to, write 8 in the base of 2. 8 is the same as 2 to the power of 3. Very good. Now let's apply the property of indices that says that when I have a to the power of b, which is then raised to the power of c, this is the same as a to the power of b times c. Now writing this the same way, this will be 2 to the power of 2 times x equal to 2 to the power of 3. Very good. So this becomes 2 to the power of 2 times x is 2x. This is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Now notice something, that the bases are the same. Since the bases are the same, we can equate their powers. The power on the left is 2x. This is equal to the power on the right, which is 3. And in order to get the value of x, I have to divide both sides by 2. Now dividing both sides by 2, this 2 cancels out, leaving behind x to be equal to 3 all over 2. And this is our final answer. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.